Very good evening traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today is the budget day and it is the last budget from the BJP government. And everyone had expected different things that today market will be volatile. Many things they had expected. But we had already informed in the group that market, whatever be the market, we don't have to worry. We have to follow only the indicator settings. So now what we are supposed to do? So initially we have to keep in default settings. We have to keep in default settings and we have to trade. So now I will be replaying the market as if market has just opened. So now you see I will keep it normal time speed. Once the market has opened, initially we will be getting 5 lines formed, bottom side 2 line, top side 2 line and mid side 1. So now see exactly buy triggered. Now the buy entry is 45,693. The equivalent strike price is 45,700 call option ATM. What we are suggesting? We are suggesting to have 200 points ITM, that is 45,500 call option, but we had chosen 45,400, 300 points in ITM today since it is the budget day and expiry day. And if the market is going up, we will be selling 46,500 put option. We will be buying 46,500 put option. So now exactly buy has triggered. Then we are waiting for the target. So minimum target 1:1. You can keep 1:2 also. At least you can expect till the middle point. So exactly it has touched here. See the market how it is exactly respecting our levels. So it is going, once again it has fallen. If it is falling, it will come and touch our buy zone only, then it will reverse. See, perfectly it has touched it. Immediately in the next candle, we have got the 3 targets hit. So this is in case of Bank Nifty. Again sell got activated and all the targets we are expecting to hit. Let us see. If it is crossing the midline, it is supposed to have hit all the targets. See the accuracy from here to here. Once again buy triggered. Once again it has reached the sell entry. Again it from exactly from that point it is falling down. So how this is possible? We have predicted this once the market has opened. Even before the market has opened, we can predict. Based on the prediction only, today we have given the calls. So now this is with respect to Bank Nifty. Let us see what happened to Nifty. See Nifty also exactly same thing. It has exactly respected our zone. Sell activated, targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. And I don't know how this MST iCore 2.0 is controlling the market of Nifty. From here to here exactly it has traded today. Though it is an even day, but in the morning itself we got informed not to worry about, simply follow the indicator settings. Exactly we have got all the targets hit. Hope it is clear. If you are not subscribed to indicator, please subscribe and join our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Give your valuable comments. Keep sharing our videos to everyone. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.